So we are making today everyone's favorite sizzling brownie without any sizzler plate. First we need half cup of butter which is at room temperature. I'm using salted butter, you can also use unsalted butter. We need to melt this using double boiler method. Continuously stir this. Into this I am adding 2/3 cup of chopped dark chocolate. You can add any chocolate which is at your house. Continuously stir this. Into this I am adding almost 1 tablespoon of sweetened condensed milk. You can increase or decrease the amount of condensed milk according to your taste. Now the dry ingredients, which includes 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, half cup of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Half teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now sift this all together. Gently fold the batter, and for making it a bit loose I am adding 1/4 cup of milk which is at room temperature. Do not add more milk. You will be tempted to add more milk to soften the batter, but this is the exact consistency of a brownie batter, so do not add more milk, like more than 1/4 cup. Gently mix this until everything is well combined. Also do not over mix. Into this I am adding some vanilla essence, almost 1 teaspoon. Again give it a slight mix, and then I am adding some chopped dry fruits which includes almonds and cashew nuts. You can also add walnuts, but I do not like walnuts, that's why I am not adding it. Or you can just skip this step if you do not like dry fruits at all. Now I am pouring this batter into a square mold which I have already lined with butter paper and oiled it. You can level up using a spatula like this, and again top with this some dry fruits. This is also optional. Now for baking it in a big vessel I have kept a stand like this, and I am going to cover this and preheat this at medium flame for at least 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, place the mold that consists the batter, cover with a lid and bake it for 30 to 35 minutes at low flame. It has been almost 35 minutes and I have cooled the cake completely, and now I am demolding it and flipping it on a clean plate. I am cutting these brownies into 4 pieces. It's up to you that how many pieces you want. Look at the brownie texture. Now here I am heating up a normal pan on which we make rotis or chapatis at low flame for at least 5 minutes, and then you need to place your brownies. Do not heat up on a very high flame, otherwise you will burn your brownies. Then scoop out some vanilla ice cream. You can place any ice cream, but normally vanilla ice cream is served with these brownies. And then finally drizzle some chocolate syrup. You can use any syrup, Hershey or anything. This is my homemade chocolate syrup. Just look how amazing this is looking. So the cafe style sizzling brownie now you can make at your home. All you need is a normal tawa which you already have and some vanilla ice cream. How to make the easiest vanilla ice cream I have already uploaded on my channel. I'll give you the link in my description. Enjoy.